In this video, we're going to focus on how we can reset the button here. So basically what we have here is a zoom reset button. That's what we need to do. So right now, if we scroll over with the mouse, it's fine. But the moment we drag, then is the question, how do we zoom out? How do we get out of this space basically without using the scroll? Well, there's a way to do it by just simply adding up a button. So let's say we're going to create a button here. What I'm going to do is make it HR. And then use a button, and the reason why I'm using button is as it's apparently better practice to use a button if you're going to add JavaScript on it than an anchor tag. An anchor tag is used for links because the search engine is looking for a link when they see an anchor tag, and if they see a button, they know it probably will be like insert a form, submit form, do something with JavaScript. So this is the reason why I'm using here a button. So I say here on click, and in the on click we can say here reset zoom. That will be our function, or reset zoom of chart. That will be fine. That will be a proper function name. So the moment we click on this, if we refresh here, we have that. Oh, all right. And we say here reset. So basically, we want to click this, and then at that moment, our scroll out will, or basically we will do. Basically, this will be the replacement of the scroll out. So what we're going to do here is the following. We're going to add up here a new function. And the function name will be what we already have, is like the reset zoom chart. Exactly the same. So the moment we click on that, what we want to do is we want to pinpoint this specific chart ID. So this ID, my chart. And here we'll say the following. So my chart and then dot. And then we say here reset zoom. Basically here indicating to reset the zoom the moment we click on this button. And we will reset the zoom if we from this specific chart ID. So save this, refresh here, let's zoom in, and then click here on reset. There you are. So that's it. So if I drag now here, and then I don't want to be here anymore, we just click on the button, and you can see the animation works, and instantly this zooms out beautifully. And this is basically the way how you can create a button for zooming out or reset the zoom. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, you probably will enjoy this one as well. And if you're interested in Chart.js, check out in the description box the link directing to my Chart.js course where you can learn everything about Chart.js. And finally, of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel.